Magandang araw. Ako po si Johanna Santo, the social worker assigned to assist you today, ma'am. And bago po tayo magsimula, gusto ko pong ipaalam na lahat po na ating mapag-uusapan ngayon ay mananatiling confidential. This is a safe space where you can openly share your experiences. Kamusta po kayo ngayon, ma'am?
Good day po. Ako po si Jovi Manawan and I am 28 years old. Kinakabahan po ako ngayon kasi this is my first time na magbahagi ng problema ko, pero I think kailangan ko to para mag-seek ng tulong para sa akin.
Thank you for introducing yourself, Jovi, and I appreciate your courage for coming here today. It's completely normal to feel your views during the first session. Take your time sa pag-share sa ating kwento, and maaari ko bang malaman kung anong dahilan, kung anong mga nangyari kung bakit ka na ganito ngayon?
Matagal na po kami ng living partner ko and almost 3 years na din. And nitong nakaraang buwan is palagi na siyang galit. Pag galit siya is sinasaktan niya ako, sinasampal niya ako, and sinisigawan niya ako. Minsan pag galit siya is sinasabihan niya ako na wala akong kwenta.
Thank you for trusting me with that information, Jovi. And I'm really sorry that you're experiencing those situations. Walang sino man ang dapat makaranas ng pang-aabuso o pananakit sa isang relasyon.
Minsan po, iniisip ko na ako ba yung mali kasi pag galit siya, ako yung mali ng sinisisi kung bakit daw siya nagkagagawa.
I understand why you feel that way. But I want you to remember that the abuse is not your fault. No matter what the situation is, no one deserves to be hurt physically or emotionally.
Ang hirap ng pagtutuloy is bumababa ang tingin ko sa sarili ko and nawawala na din ako ng confidence.
That's understandable, Jovi. Experiencing repeated verbal and physical abuse can affect people's self-esteem and emotional well-being. Your feelings are valid, and it's important that we acknowledge them.
Akala ko po kasi normal lang ang pag-aaway ng mag-partner.
Disagreements can happen in relationships, but violence, intimidation, and humiliations are never accepted form of conflict. Healthy relationships are built on respect, trust, and safety.
Hindi ko po alam ang gagawin ko minsan.
It's okay to feel uncertain, Jovi. That's why we're here to explore possible options that can help you ensure your safety and well-being.
May batas po ba talaga na pwedeng makatulong sa sitwasyon ko ngayon?
Meron, ito ay under Republic Act number 9262, also known as Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children. Women are protected from physical, psychological, and emotional abuse from spouses or living partners.
Hindi ko po alam na sakop pala yun ng batas.
Opo, sabot po siya ng batas, and the law recognizes that the situation like yours need protection and support. There are also services available that can help you emotionally, physically, legally, and socially.
Nakakagaan po na noong naman yun. Pero pag nag-fight po ako ng case is parang natatakot po ako.
Your fear is understandable, Jovi. You are not required to make a decision Our role is to support and make sure you understand your options.
Gusto ko po sana maging safe muna kasi kapag na akong matakot.
Your safety is very important, and I'm glad you shared this with me today. Seeking help is already a strong and positive step.
Pakiramdam ko po ngayon kahit papaano gumagaan na ang loob.
I'm glad to hear that, Jovi. Talking about these experiences is not easy, but it can be the first step toward healing and finding solutions.
Maraming salamat po.
You're welcome, Jovi, and I appreciate your courage in sharing your story today. In our next session, we can continue discussing your safety plan and explore more options that can help protect and support you. And if at any time you feel